What do you make of the pullback that we're seeing 4 straight days of down days?
I think you've all just covered it very well. What I would add to it is, remember, into the high just a couple of weeks ago, the market went up 60% in 6 months. I don't know about you, when I run that hard, I need a rest. And I think that's what the market's doing. It's pausing, it's correcting. The fact, Mike just talked about it, that high yield spreads, treasuries, copper prices are not doing a whole lot. Tells me this is more internal, technical, as opposed to, oh my goodness, the world was great, now the world's awful.
How long does this pullback last in that? Should we expect this through the end of the year, Bob? I know long term you're a holder, you're an investor, but shorter term, what's your outlook given the elections coming up, given the spike in potential lockdown because of a rise in COVID cases?
I think we will see a lot of choppiness in both directions. That we got as high as we did surprised me. I don't know that there's a whole lot more left to down, but, you know, we may have seen the high for the year, and we may just chop around here, moving up and down several hundred Dow points on and off for the rest of the year as we digest the virus, the now mixed economic data, the slowing of the advance, can I say it that way? The election, not just the outcome, but the uncertainty. Will people accept it? And now you layer on top of that the Supreme Court, the banking stuff coming out of Europe. That's enough for the market to say, I'm going to go to the sidelines for a while. It
doesn't sound like there would be a whole lot of reasons to be long, at least in the short term, Bob. So I'm wondering if you can. I mean, it sounds like the risk is definitively to the downside. Is there a price level, though, at which you say, you know what, that skews in terms of the risk to the upside?
So I've had for a while now a 3250 target for the end of the year, and that's kind of where we are. So, you know, a couple of weeks ago I had to talk if that was the right target. We're going to have a down next few months. Now we're there very quickly. We'll go probably south of that target for a while, but I'm sticking with that, which one more time implies this sidewise chop.